In front of us is the Hobby Prestige T710GE, a motorhome with well-balanced proportions and a distinctive European style. It looks understated, yet immediately gives a sense of a higher class. The cab is seamlessly integrated into the living space. The front seats swivel, creating a full lounge area. The seating position is comfortable, with well-thought-out ergonomics. Armrests on both sides are a small detail that makes a big difference, especially on long journeys. The dining area is one of the strong points of this model. It comfortably accommodates up to 6 people without feeling cramped. The large table moves easily across the space and can be adjusted in height. This flexibility allows it to transform from a dining area into a proper workspace. The overhead cabinets, designed in Hobby's signature style, clean, modern, and practical. They open smoothly with a solid, high-quality feel. Integrated lighting adds convenience and highlights the level of craftsmanship. Lighting throughout the interior is evenly distributed, creating a soft and warm and inviting atmosphere. The large front panoramic skylight is one of the key features. It fills the space with natural light and visually expands the interior. It's equipped with a mosquito net and thermal blinds, ensuring comfort in any season. This area works not only for relaxation, but also for productivity. Above the lounge area, there are 2 spacious overhead cabinets, thoughtfully integrated into the interior design. They provide plenty of storage for everyday essentials, keeping the space clean and organized without feeling overloaded. Each cabinet is equipped with soft internal lighting, making it easy to find what you need even in the evening. The table easily turns into a functional workspace. The side window, with a mosquito net and blind, allows you to control light and maintain privacy. Below them, you'll notice 2 individual spotlights, each with its own focused beam. This allows you to create a more personalized lighting setup, whether you're reading, relaxing, or simply enjoying the atmosphere inside. The bathroom area in the Prestige is designed with practicality in mind. It's a combined space, yet still feels open and comfortable. The shower is full-sized and convenient for everyday use. A separate hose adds extra comfort and flexibility. Black fixtures give it a modern look and emphasize the premium feel of the interior. The shower area here is designed with real on-the-road comfort in mind. It can be easily separated with a sliding timbre-style door, creating a fully private space. Inside, there is enough room to shower comfortably without feeling cramped. A dedicated skylight provides natural light and ventilation, making the space even more pleasant to use. The kitchen is designed in a modern, understated style. We open the kitchen cabinet. It features a sliding timbre-style door. This is a very practical solution that saves space and keeps the kitchen looking clean and organized. In the kitchen area, there's a window with a mosquito net and a sun blind, allowing you to easily control light and ventilation. For cooking, there's a 2-burner gas hob, an ideal setup for travel. Next to it is a large sink with a full-size black faucet, adding both functionality and a modern touch. Cooking here is truly comfortable, even while traveling. Everything is laid out logically. The stove, sink, and workspace are all within easy reach. We open the pull-out drawers. All lower cabinets are designed with sliding sections, making access to items much easier. There is also an additional fold-out countertop that expands the working area when needed. All zones are arranged in the most logical way. Nothing unnecessary, everything within reach. The workspace is used efficiently. Shelves for kitchen essentials are conveniently positioned, so everything is always within reach. Above the fridge, there's an extra storage cabinet. The refrigerator itself has a capacity of around 140 liters and includes a separate freezer compartment. Inside, there are dedicated drawers for vegetables and door shelves for smaller items, with easy access from both the kitchen and the living area. It doesn't interfere with movement and fits naturally into the overall layout. This makes everyday use as comfortable as possible. Below the fridge, there's a practical cabinet housing the electrical system. Now we move into the sleeping area. Under the beds, there are spacious storage compartments with easy and well-thought-out access. On the left side, there's a sliding timbre-style door, and on the right, a large storage compartment as well. Inside, there are additional smaller drawers for better organization. The sleeping area can be separated with a curtain, creating a private space when needed. Even the steps include 2 small built-in storage drawers, adding extra functionality. The twin beds can be easily transformed. A central section slides out, creating a large, full-size sleeping area. In the bedroom, you immediately feel a sense of thoughtful design and comfort. There is plenty of storage, both overhead and below. The entire space is equipped with LED lighting, creating a soft and pleasant atmosphere. All cabinets open smoothly, with high-quality fittings. There are also practical hooks for clothes and towels, a simple but very useful detail. It's also worth highlighting the lighting and electrical system of this motorhome. Everything here is designed to make you feel comfortable at any time of day. The main lighting is soft and evenly distributed, avoiding harsh shadows and creating a cozy atmosphere in the evening. Additional spotlights provide focused lighting, perfect for reading or creating a more personalized ambiance. The electrical system is equally well thought out. Throughout the motorhome, you'll find 230-volt sockets and USB ports, making it easy to charge phones, laptops, and other devices. This is especially important for longer trips or if you work while traveling. The control panel allows you to monitor key systems. On both sides, there are windows fitted with mosquito nets and blinds. A large headboard shelf is perfect for phones, books, and small personal items. From this angle, you can clearly see how well organized and balanced the sleeping area is. The furniture feels solid and high quality, adding confidence for long journeys. The interior of this motorhome feels thoughtfully designed from the very first moment. Everything here is built around comfort, practicality, and a calm, balanced atmosphere. The layout flows naturally from one area to another without sharp transitions or wasted space. The materials and finishes create a strong sense of quality. Nothing feels out of place, everything has its purpose. Soft lighting enhances the warmth of the space, making it comfortable both during the day and in the evening. Storage is intelligently integrated throughout the interior, keeping the space clean and visually light. At the same time, every functional zone, from the kitchen to the sleeping area, remains easily accessible. This is a space where it's easy to relax, work, and simply enjoy the journey. The balance between design and functionality is what makes this interior especially appealing. It's not just about how it looks, it's about how naturally and comfortably you can live in it every day. Now let's take a quick look at the technical side of this motorhome and how practical it is in real use. All the main service areas are logically arranged and easy to access. Special attention should be given to the rear garage. It's a large storage compartment with access from both sides. This makes loading and unloading much easier. There's plenty of space for bulky equipment, from outdoor furniture to sports gear. The gas compartment is located outside with convenient access. Replacing and servicing the bottles is simple and hassle-free. The space is used efficiently while still remaining easy to access. The freshwater tank here is around 100 to 120 liters, while the gray water tank is approximately 90 to 100 liters. both are well positioned, with easy access for filling and draining. From the outside, the motorhome looks clean and well thought out. The design is understated, without unnecessary elements, but clearly focused on practicality. All service hatches and compartments are neatly integrated into the body. This not only improves the overall look, but also makes everyday use more convenient. It's well suited for both short trips and long journeys in any season. Everything here is designed to make you feel comfortable and confident on the road. If you value the balance between comfort, functionality, and coziness, the Hobby Prestige T710GE is definitely worth considering.